guys and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to mix all my foundations together. The reason that I'm going to do that is because it's obviously a thing that's going around YouTube just now, and it was originally started by, and I apologise, I'm probably going to butcher this name, but I'm pretty sure that it was started by, I think her name is, I've got it written down over here, Safiya Naygaard. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering that, but anyway, I'll link her video or her channel or whatever down in the description box below, because obviously credit where credit is due. If she started it, if it wasn't her that started it, I'm really sorry. I'm pretty sure that's what everyone's saying though. Anyway, it's a pretty cool idea, and because my face is a total broken out mess just now, I figure, what harm could it do? You know, if it does break me out, it breaks me out. So I have 15 foundations here that I'm going to mix together, and yeah, I'm just going to mix them all together in this little sort of egg cup, and we're just going to see what happens. So I've actually seen this turn out really well for quite a few people, so fingers crossed that it works out. Yeah, let's just get started. If you like this video, I would love if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm starting to post videos 3 times a week, and normally it's falling on a Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Hopefully we can keep that up. But apart from that, let's just fire on. So yeah, I'm just going to mix all these up and hope that I get a shade that matches, or somewhat matches, my skin. I'll tell you what foundations I have anyway, just to kind of give you an idea of what's going into the mix. First, I've got the Revlon Colorstay for normal to dry skin, and mine's in 150 buff. L'Oreal Nude Magique. I'm just gonna, this is a pour bottle, so I'm probably just gonna have to sort of eyeball this one. All of these foundations are sort of different textures, different types, so I have no idea what this is gonna turn into. I've got the L'Oreal True Match in creamy beige, the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in number 2. I've got the Naked Skin, Urban Decay Naked Skin foundation, and this one is in the shade 3. The American Style, or the one that I got in America, True Match foundation in N3 Natural Buff. I've got the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation, and this one is in the shade Fair. I've got the Bourjois Healthy Mix Serum foundation in the shade beige, or light beige even. Cover FX Natural Finish Oil Free foundation in the shade N25. I've got the Ordinary Colours Serum foundation in the shade 2.1p. I've got the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in soft beige. I've got my Dior Forever Skin foundation in the shade 20. I've got the other Ordinary Colours foundation, the Coverage foundation in the shade 2.0p. I've got the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in nude. Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Treatment Makeup. And I don't know how I'm going to get this out of here, but I think I'm just going to take the sponge off and see if it'll come out. And last but not least, I've got the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. And this one's in the shade 201. I thought I would put the lighter one in just in case this concoction becomes completely too dark for me. So that is all, oh, what, I nearly knocked it over. So that's all the foundations in my little pot, and that is what it's looking like so far. And I'm just gonna mix it up. I don't even know if any of these foundations are kind of going to react weird with each other, because some foundations are water-based and some foundations are oil-based, so we could have a disaster here. But it looks to me like that is what we're left with, and I mean, it's not terrible, but I suppose, okay, this actually made quite a lot of foundation. For reference, I only put a pump of each foundation in, or like the equivalent if it didn't have a pump, or I suppose I tried to do the equivalent. I'm just going to use my beauty blender like I always do to blend this in, and I suppose we'll just see what happens. Okay, so it's kind of a weird colour. Oh, that's so weird. I never really tend to judge foundations until I've done all my concealing and stuff like that, so I'm just going to kind of move forward with my makeup and see how it looks at the end. But so far, it's a little bit dry, but my skin is really kind of dry just now, and there's a lot of these foundations that I wouldn't go near right now because of the state of my skin. But apart from that and the sort of weird colour, it's not too bad. I mean, it's not the worst I've ever seen. I've definitely seen foundations look worse, so Okay, so that is my concealer and all that done, and I've powdered as well, and it creases like a mofo. Oh, yeah. I've seen this work out quite well for so many people. It didn't work out for me. I'm going to go on and I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup anyway, just to see how the rest of it goes on, and then I'll come back and let you know my final thoughts, because there are times where I can get to this point of my makeup and I can totally hate the foundation that I've got on, and then by the time I get to the end, actually I don't mind it at all. So yeah, I'll come back as soon as I'm finished the rest of my makeup. Okay, so that's the rest of my look complete, and this is how it turned out. I should have a tutorial up on this eye look at some point if it's not up already. If it is, I'll link it in the description box below. And the foundation isn't the worst. I mean, I have had worse, I think I said that already, but I don't think that I would mix all my foundations together just to wear again, because already it's sinking into my smile lines, it's sank into all the lines I have on my forehead, so yeah, it's not really... It didn't come up with some sort of miracle foundation for me, unfortunately, but yeah, it isn't the worst, but it was interesting to see, at least, I suppose. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!